If you want to see what I got on this Burlington Coat Factory haul, stay tuned and keep watching. Smile for me. You're the cutest thing that I have ever seen. Smile for me. Hi guys, this is your girl Nathalie Stylist, and I am back today with another video for you guys. I want to go ahead and show you what I got. So, one of the first things that I actually got from Burlington Coat Factory, I got this really cute, amazing scarf. And you guys know that I absolutely love Betsey Johnson. And so when I saw this scarf, I thought it was so cute, so adorable. It has this really cute sequin detailing on it. It almost looks like it's flowers or maybe kind of a paisley print, and then uh, the sequin strategically placed. But it's from Betsey Johnson. And I believe it's just a one size. Yes, a one size scarf. And I actually paid $9.99 for this. Now, that's actually a really good price because Betsey Johnson stuff, if you go to her original website and you get certain items, her items are really expensive for certain things. But yeah, so when I saw it, it's very me. I think it's so adorable. And I was just like, I have to have this. Very kind of like festive, but still kind of chic as far as this concerned. Now, I don't think that this particular item would be really good for winter, but you probably still get away with it. But it gets so cold here in Illinois that I probably wouldn't just wear it as a scarf for winter, but I probably would do it more so when I go out. It's pretty good quality though. It's heavy. I just don't feel like because it gets so windy here that it will shield me from, the wind here in Illinois. But nonetheless, it is a really cute scarf that you could just wear. You could probably even wear it as a shawl, like if you're going to some type of formal event, or if you just want to jazz up a regular outfit that you may be wearing, whether it's a sweater or a cute little dress or whatever the case may be. If you're wearing like a little black dress, this would be a cute scarf to have. And like I said, I paid $9.99 for it, and it has this really cute ruffle detailing here at the bottom of the scarf, and it's on both sides of the scarf, so I think it adds a really cute touch. But yeah, I just thought this was a really cute scarf, and I was like, yeah, I have to have it. Plus, I absolutely love Betsey Johnson because her stuff is really unique, and so I typically gravitate towards her items. So yeah, I'm going to keep this one for the remainder. So the next item I actually got, and I'll give you guys prices and everything like that. After I'm finished showing you everything, I'll do each store, and then I'll do what I paid for each store and the savings that I got. But yeah, so I got this, and this is also Betsey Johnson. And I thought it was really, really cute. It just has this really cute fur detailing on it in the black, gray, and white. And it's just black on the inside. Cute little wallet, if you want to go out, but you don't really like carrying a purse, especially during the holidays. I don't really carry a purse. I really don't like carrying purses, period. But if you have a cute little wristlet, can pretty much go with anything, especially during holiday season. I don't like to carry big, bulky items because if I'm going shopping, of course, I'm not going to want to carry all my bags plus a big, bulky purse. But then also safety reasons as well. Cute little wristlet that you can take wherever you go, have it on your wrist. You won't lose it or anything, have to worry about if you place it down any place. But yeah, so I thought that was really cute. And I actually paid $6.99 for this, but it actually is comparable to a value of $20. Now on Betsey Johnson's website, you probably see this for about $50 to $60 on her website, but Burlington is like a discount department store. They sell a lot of everything if you guys never heard of it. But yeah, so I saw this and I was like, I absolutely need to get this. It's amazing. So the next item I actually got, which is so adorable, and when I saw this, I was like, I have to have it, is this really cute beret. and it's actually a Calvin Klein beret. But by my hair being short, I absolutely love wearing cute little items like this or whatever. I think they're really a good little staple item to have in your wardrobe or in your collection. But I love it. It has these really cute little sparkles on it, almost like rhinestones, and they're black. Just thought it was really, really cute. And I actually paid $12.99 from this for this. But if you were to get this like from Macy's or someplace like that, you definitely for a Calvin Klein beret probably pay close to $70, if not more, for a hat like this. And so when I saw it, I thought it was cute. I don't have a winter hat yet, so I wanted to go ahead and cop a winter hat. And to be quite honest, I'll probably cop another one, not necessarily a beret, but another type of hat because it gets so cold here in Chicago. Well, I don't live in Chicago, but in Illinois. But yeah, I just thought this was super cute, and I felt like it really went with my hair um, well. So yeah, that's why I got it. And like I said, it was $12.99. Now on the hat actually says it's comparable to $40 or whatever from the Calvin Klein tag because it does have it on there, but I paid $12.99. But Burlington says that it's comparable to $28. But Calvin Klein is not inexpensive. So I saw that and I was like, let me go ahead and get it because my hair is short. I absolutely love cute little items that I can actually wear on my head or, just kind of accessorize, put accessories in my hair or whatever because it's so short. And I actually like it short. But yeah, I saw this and I just thought it was adorable and I had to get it. It's by Lux Accessories and I paid $4.99 for this, but it is comparable to $10 as it says on the back. But it's just these really cute um, cat ears, like a headband accessory that you can wear. Um, if you want to add like a little to a plain outfit. I would not just wear these for Halloween. I actually would wear these just regularly, like because I like stuff like this. I think it's super cute, super chic. And it just adds a little cuteness to whatever it is you're wearing. And, for me, I don't really wear earrings like that. If I do wear earrings, they're always just studs. I don't like really big dangly earrings and stuff like that. I'm kind of a minimalist when it comes to certain things, and then I like to do other things over the top. But I thought this was so adorable, and they just have these really cute little sparkles glued on here. And I just thought it was something cute that I can wear, something fun, add something to something really plain. If I want to wear all black or something like that, and I just wanted to be kind of simple, but wear something that makes me a little bit more cute and it adds a little bit something to my outfit, then that's the reason why I actually got these. And they were really, really cute. So yeah, I totally love hair accessories, flowers, and different things like that because my hair is so short and I don't do a lot to it. So a cute hat or something like that to add to my hair, really makes the outfit for me. So cop those if you like them. They sell them at different places too. Like Burlington is not the only place. Like I think I've seen them at Forever 21. I think I've seen something similar at Walmart. So yeah, you could pretty much find these anywhere in different types of styles. I've seen them like this with flowers and different things like that on it. So yeah, I just thought that was a really cute accessory to add. Even on New Year's Eve, if you wanted to wear these, it would be something cute to add to your outfit for New Year's Eve as well. So the next items that I got, I was really wanting, like a cute little pair of stud earrings or whatever the case may be. And so I found these, and the brand is just by Tahari. It's off brand, I assume. I've never really heard of them before, but these are pretty cute, just silver studs. And I actually paid $5.99 for these, but they are comparable from what this says to $22. So I only paid $5.99 for these, and they were super cute, super simple. And I actually purchased these to go along with this in particular. Yeah, because I thought this would be a good addition. I don't know if you guys can see it. But I thought it'd be a good addition to wear with these little this little headband. So yeah, that's why I got it. Also from Burlington, I actually got this really cute Betsy Johnson sock set. And I love Betsy Johnson. And although I really don't like socks, like I cannot stand socks um, during certain months, like I really don't like to wear them. When my feet get cold, if I'm like in the house or whatever the case may be, I love to have these little socks available. Some of some of these socks you probably can find in like different stores like Walmart and different things like that. And they're supposed to be infused with like aloe vera. Now, these in particular, I don't think they are infused with aloe vera, but you can find socks that are infused with aloe vera, and they keep your feet not only just warm but soft during the winter months when things typically when it gets cold, keeps your feet from cracking or anything like that. If you have those types of issues, I don't particularly have those type of issues, but I just like a really nice pair of socks, like when I'm sitting in the house and my feet get cold, for me to be able to put them on, so I don't have to turn the heat up sky high or anything like that. So yeah, these were super cute, and it's 3 pair, and it has these cute little. This is like an animal print with pink and black, and then just a cute little pair of pink and white ones, and then these have hearts, black hearts on the pink pair of socks. So I thought those were super cute, and I literally only paid $3.99 for these, all 3 pair, Betsy Johnson. Now, if you were to get this from her website, again, probably about 40, 50 plus dollars for just, this 3 pair of socks. Now, Burlington Co Factory compares it to $6, but these socks on Betsy Johnson's website would not be $6 or $3.99 for that matter, unless it was like this really awesome sale. I like Betsy Johnson stuff because she's so super different. She reminds me of myself. I call myself her twin sister. Do not judge me. But yeah, I absolutely love, love, love Betsy Johnson. And these are a good little pack of socks if you want to have for the winter time or whatever the case may be to keep your feet warm. So the next thing I got is also by Betsy Johnson, and it's so super cute. But anyway, yeah, so super cute bag. I thought it was so cute. When you open it up, it has this cute little black and white stripe, and I love black and white stripes. That's one of my favorite prints. Cute little black and white stripes, and it has these pockets in here, a place where you could put pencils and maybe a calculator or your phone. And in the back, it does have this zipper, and the zipper is functional, so it does have an extra pocket where you can unzip and put extra stuff in as well. But I thought this was so super cute. And this particular bag, now, Betsy Johnson's website, probably $88 like this says on here, but I actually only paid 20, no, it says on here, it says it's $88 on the Johnson's website. If I probably would have got it from there, it would have been like $88 plus shipping plus tax. But I only paid $24.99 for this, so it was a steal. And like I said, I love the cute little black and white stripes on it, but then it also has pink and yellow stars on it. So yeah, I thought it was just really cute, a bag that I could wear when I don't really feel like, maybe if I'm going somewhere with family or whatever, like we like to go to the apple orchard and different things like that. And of course, I don't want to wear a purse or holding thing on my shoulder. So this is something that I could put on my backpack for when I buy stuff. Maybe if I'm out shopping or whatever downtown, I don't want to really carry a purse, that I could put this on my back and just take it anywhere I go. But it's really cute. And the straps in the back, they are adjustable, and it just says Betsy Johnson with a pair of lips on the straps of the bag. But yeah, it's just a really cute little bag that you can wear. And then I also got it because it has this cute little uh, keychain type thing that I could take off and put it on my keys as a keychain. It's just a cloud with a lightning bolt, and it's sparkly. And you guys know that I absolutely love sparkle. So I love this bag. It's just a cute little item that I've added to my closet, and you can pretty much take it wherever you go. So the next item that I got was also a Betsy Johnson item, because I love Betsy Johnson, as I've said so many times in this video. But it's just this cute, really cute wallet. Now for me, I love wallets. I love wristlets. A lot of the bags that I already have by Betsy Johnson have like the straps. So if I don't want to just carry this in my hand like this, I could just take the strap off of one of my Betsy Johnson bags, like even the one that I just showed you here. Oh, this one isn't removable, but I do have straps that are removable from other purses that I have, like this one right here. I could just remove the strap, and this is Betsy Johnson. But for me, I like to change my wallets often. I love new wallets. My personal belief, new wallet, new money. That's what I like. So I do buy these often, probably, I'd say probably about 6 to 7 times out of the year, maybe more. As far as that, when they're on sale or when they're really inexpensive, or if I see something Betsy Johnson that I just feel like I absolutely have to have, then I'll go ahead and buy it. But this, it just has this really cute little brooch on the front of the bag, and it says Betsy Johnson, um, and then it says New York, NY. So yeah, that's what it says. And it's just hot pink in the center with this gold detailing, which you can't really tell that it's gold, but it is a gold detailing on the outskirts of it with a few little gems in the middle, rhinestones. Sparkle, guys. I love sparkle. And then in the inside, it just has a lot of room for your credit cards. It has a pocket on each side, so you can place other things in back. And then it just has this zipper detailing in the front, and the zipper is functional for you to add more stuff in there. So it has a bit of room, and it's not a lot, not as much as this one. And this one I've had for a while. As you can see, it's stuff sticking up out of it. But yeah, so I got this. I thought it was super cute. It's black and white. And then it has the hot pink, which reminds me of my favorite colors that I like to mix together, which is black and white stripes and hot pink. Typically, I'm always mixing those together. Now, on the Betsy Johnson site, probably even more than this, but it says that if I would have bought this from Betsy Johnson's website, it would have been $65. But I actually only paid $19.99 for this. And so Burlington says it's comparable to $45, but there's a $20 price difference in what they think it's worth and what Betsy Johnson says it's worth. But it's really good quality. My wallets last for a long time. The zipper is functional. Don't have to worry about them getting stuck or anything like that. I haven't had too many issues with Betsy Johnson wallets. I absolutely love her stuff. So yeah. Hi guys, this is your girl Natalie Stylist, and I am back today with another video for you guys. So this particular haul is a Burlington Coat Factory haul, and I am so excited at all the stuff, every single thing that I got on this haul. Really very affordable, super amazing stuff that you can get if you have a Burlington Coat Factory or a Ross. Some of these items you'll probably be able to find between the two of those stores, but I got these items from Burlington Coat Factory. That's pretty much everything that I got in this haul from Burlington Coat Factory. I did save quite a bit of money on this particular haul. I'm going to show you guys how much I saved on this haul. So that is the end of this Burlington Coat Factory haul. If you want to see more videos like this from me, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Make sure you also give it a thumbs up and leave your comments down below if you have any suggestions on hauls you would want to see from me. But I can't wait to see you guys in my next video, and thank you so much for watching. Smile for me. You're the cutest thing that I have ever seen. Smile for me. Cutest thing that I have ever seen. Smile for me.